You are welcome in Literature Simply. Simple way to learn literature and language. Dear students, I am making this MCQs based on your examination. So please go through these MCQs very carefully and understand what is there in these questions. So again, we have 22 MCQs for 44 marks and it's a test. So if you want to get through this test, you need to score 50%, means 22 marks. If you get 22 marks, then you are passed out in this small test. So again, I request you to take a pen and paper and write down question number 1. Before question number 1, your option. Before that, I will read that question, and while reading that question, you understand it and write down your option which you think is correct. And then if the answer is correct, then you can mark it as right, and if it's wrong, leave it as it is. And at the end, you can calculate your score and you can post your score to me. I will appreciate your score. So dear students, today we are having these MCQs on learning from the West, an important topic for your examination. So let's start. MCQs on learning from the West. Question number 1. Who wrote Learning from the West? Option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, B, N.R. Narayan Murthy, C, Patrick Lafcadio Harn, and D, Gordon Livingston. And the correct option is B, N.R. Narayan Murthy. Number 2, Learning from the West is dash: A story, B, a speech, C, an essay, D, a poem. And the correct option is B, a speech. Number 3, which award did Narayan Murthy receive for excellence in public administration and management sciences in 2001? Option A, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award, B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru National Award, C, Public Administration Award, and D, Management Sciences Award. And the correct option is A, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award. Number 4, N.R. Narayan Murthy is one of the most successful dash in India. A, leaders, B, sportsmen, C, businessmen, and D, writers. And the correct option is C, businessmen. Number 5, in Learning from the West, the writer speaks about dash: A, role of Western economy in contemporary India, B, role of Western goods in contemporary India, C, role of Western knowledge in contemporary India, and D, role of Western values in contemporary India. And the correct option is D, role of Western values in contemporary India. Number 6, N.R. Narayan Murthy deals with some important values like dash: A, respect for public good and responsibility to the community, B, accountability and intellectual independence, C, dignity of labor and professionalism, and D, all of the above. And the correct option is D, all of the above. Number 7, which IT company is co-founded by N.R. Narayan Murthy? A, IBM, B, Infosys, C, IT Solutions, and D, Infotix. And the correct option is B, Infosys. Number 8, Narayan Murthy married to dash, who is an engineer, a social worker, and an accomplished author. Option A, Sudha Murthy, B, Satyabhama Murthy, C, Sudha Pillai, and D, none of the above. And the correct option is A, Sudha Murthy. 9, when did Infosys found? A, 1981, B, 1991, C, 2001, and D, 2011. And the correct option is A, 1981. 10, N.R. Narayanan Murthy honored with dash: A, Padma Shri, B, Padma Vibhushan, C, both A and B, and D, Bharat Ratna. And the correct option is C, both A and B. 11, Narayan Murthy comes from a company which is built on dash: A, strong business, B, workforce, C, strong values, D, strong economy. And the correct option is C, strong values. 12, the writer learned some valuable lessons from A, the West, B, the East, C, the North, and D, the South. It's a very simple question. And the correct option is A, the West. 13, what the first lesson Murthy talks about? A, respect for the self, B, respect for the money, C, respect for no one, and D, respect for the public good. And the correct option is D, respect for the public good. 14. According to Murthy, Indian culture has deep-rooted family values and parents make dash for their children. A. Enormous sacrifices. B. Enormous wealth. C. Enormous land. And D. Build their career. And the correct option is A. Enormous sacrifices. 15. More than 40 years ago, irrigation expert Dr. K.L. Rao suggested solving this problem by creating a dash connecting the rivers in North and South India. A. River grid, B. Road grid, C. Water grid, and D. Sea grid. And the correct option is C. Water grid. 16. The writer suggested dash passport to the government so that frequent visits to the passport office are avoided. A. 240 page, B. 250 page, C. 260 page, and D. 270 page. And the correct option is A. 240 page. 17. According to Narayan Murthy, successful societies are those that A. Harmoniously combine loyalty to family, B. Harmoniously combine loyalty to community, and C. Both A and B. D. Harmoniously combine loyalty to nation. And the correct option is C. Both A and B. 18. The writer refers to dash the noted Arabic logician and traveler of the 10th century who spent about 30 years in India. Option A. Al-Saudi, B. Al-Baruni, C. Al-Nawami, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is B. Al-Baruni. 19. The writer is talking about dash in his speech. A. Accountability, B. Dignity of labor, C. Professionalism, and D. All of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. 20. According to the writer, we must learn dash from the West. A. Acknowledging the accomplishments of others, B. Respect for public good, C. Intellectual independence, and D. All of the above. And the correct option is D. All of the above. 21. However, in India, we suffer from dash. A. Feudal thinking, B. Imaginary thinking, C. Wide thinking, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is A. Feudal thinking. The last question. A people that values its privileges above its principles soon loses both. Which former US president said this? Option A. Dwight Eisenhower, B. Barack Obama, C. George Washington, and D. Abraham Lincoln. And the correct option is A. Dwight Eisenhower. So dear students, these are the multiple choice questions. I hope you solved all the questions. Now you can calculate your score and post your score to me. So dear students, this is the video in which we have covered 22 MCQs. In the next video, we will cover again some MCQs on some other topic. Till you watch Literature Simply, subscribe the channel Literature Simply, because there are many students who are watching our videos but are not subscribing. So please subscribe it, like it, and you can share this video among your friends so that they can get help for their exam.